Welcome to my YouTube channel. I create a free web-based application for air pollution Xylene, and in the next of the code I release a lot of application as soon as I can. So follow my page and follow my GitHub, follow my LinkedIn page, and inform about the applications of remote sensing, application of satellite imagery. This application export data as a chart, CSV file, map with the format GIF, animation with the format GIF, and a lot of export. You can see it. Cloud-based computing, and you can choose city, you can choose province, you can choose a state, you can choose a country, and you can choose palette of varieties, classic, magma, plasma, for a beautiful getting beautiful map. Also, you don't need any programming knowledge. Now, by click on the link below, you can start your research and utilize it for your article ISI. I put DOI and article in the left hand of the screen for your for utilizing your article. Print a screenshot and bring the screenshot to the PowerPoint and remove background of your map and add a layout. Finally, use it for your article. This is my best effort for creating this application. Thank you very much and subscribe my channel.